in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we are off. Let's see what sort of action we are going to be seeing here today. Robots starting off quietly. Going to ramp up in no time. It's 55-59 making the first move, pouring that coral into the trough. All right. Let's see what the Red Alliance has in store for us. That's one on level 2, one in the trough. That's an algae removed already as well. We're going to see how much more they can do as we see a Blue Alliance robot, the Shambot, 52-25, blitzing across the field, making all sorts of a ruckus. We'll see what they have in store for us, trying to cause as many troubles as they can for the Red Alliance. 84-23 pulls up to the human player station, collects the coral, and heads straight on back to that reef completely uninhibited. And they are doing everything they can to show off their abilities. And 55-59 on the blue side of the field, collecting at the human player chute. They're going to be grabbing the coral, and they're going to try to get that out of their robot now, which they successfully do thanks to their Lexan protector over the electronics. Excellent choice by them to build that. We're going to see what else is in store now. The Blue Alliance opted for one on defense and one main cycler over here. We'll see what else they can do in this match. We have our two 8,000 teams over here working together the best they can, one on each human player station, trying to not get in the way of each other to keep up as many scores as they can on the red side of the field here, trying to push that number as high as possible. With 50 seconds left in the match, we'll see what all they can do to try to set a high score here. 85-19 trying to aim their way to get that coral into the trough. 84-23 right next to them wants to score on level 3. They're going to have to share. We'll see what they can do. On the blue side of the field, 52-25 nearly high centers on an algae, but they get themselves back on the ground. We're going to see what else they can get. 55-59 puts one more into that trough, trying to get that score as high as possible. They've placed nearly double-digit number of corals, but that is the depth charge, which puts us into the end game. We're going to see what robots can get off the sea floor here and into the atmosphere. All right, 84-23 is the first one to make the move to try to climb. We're going to see some parks coming out. What else are we going to get? And the Red Alliance takes the victory. Additionally, they earn the climbing ranking point or the barge ranking point due to a penalty.